Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the nitty and gritty of repairing the MacBook Air M2. Ever wonder what it's like to work on this sleek machine? Let's uncover the truth behind the repair. The back panel challenge. First off, let's talk about the back panel. The precision required to align everything perfectly can test even the most patient technician. It's a puzzle that demands both skill and patience. The sleep-wake sensor dilemma. Next up, the sleep-wake sensor. If this little component breaks, you're a little bit in a pickle. Unfortunately, it's not repairable unless you access an Apple OEM part, the major roadblock for independent repair shops and DIY enthusiasts. And also, the screw isn't magnetized and it's really hard to screw it back together. Woes moving on to the screen. While aftermarket parts don't cause artifacts, they do present their own set of challenges. Reinstalling the bracket on the flex cable is a pesky task that requires a steady hand and a lot of patience. It's a delicate dance that can be frustrating but rewarding once completed. The soldered SSD and RAM. Finally, let's discuss the SSD and RAM. Both are soldered directly to the motherboard, making data recovery nearly impossible for home users. The design choice for Apple means that something goes wrong, you're likely to have a costly repair or replacement. Repairing the MacBook Air M2 is not easy, but you can overcome these challenges with the right tools and patience. Repairing the MacBook Air M2 is no walk in the park, but understanding these complexities is what is going to help you have a better understanding to know what to do.
It's your